If you are opening the same three or more apps every day in your workflow in office, school, or whatever you do, it eventually gets tedious and counterproductive. Because instead of immediately doing the work that you're supposed to do at the moment you turn on your computer, the task of opening the same set of apps consumes a bit of your precious time. Of course, you can put those apps in the taskbar of your Windows device, which would considerably reduce the amount of time it would take you to click and launch those apps, but we can take this further by launching multiple apps with just one click, without installing any third-party apps. What we need to do is to create a batch script where we can tell our Windows machine to launch the software that we want. We can do so by creating a new file, right-click on your desktop, select New, text document, and then you can rename the file whatever you want, but make sure that the file extension is changed to .bat or else Windows won't recognize it as a batch script. Begin editing the script by typing start /B followed by two double quotes and then the path of the application. I'll explain what each part of the command means later after we finish setting up the commands, but let's locate the path of the apps that we want to launch first. For the path of the app, search the app in Windows Search. For example, Microsoft Edge. Right-click the app icon and click Open File Location. It will open Windows Explorer and reveal the location of the app's shortcut, but we need the exact path of the app, and we can find it by right-clicking the shortcut and then clicking Properties. What we want here is the value of the target field. Make sure to select everything in that text box and copy its value. Then paste the copied value to our script file right after the two double quotes and the space. And this is how the command should look like now. Now let's test the script to see if it works with the first app that we selected by saving the batch file and opening it. A command line or CMD window will quickly flash because it executes the command that we have written in our batch file. Then as expected, it opens Microsoft Edge. Great. Let's continue by adding the other apps that we want to launch as well. I'll just copy and paste the same command multiple times in the succeeding lines. Then, I'll just do the same thing I did earlier in finding the executable path of the other apps that I want. I'll do it for Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Cool. Then I'll save the file again and execute the commands by launching the batch file one more time. Now it opens all the apps that I specified in our script. You can add other apps as you like, just make sure to indicate the exact location of the app that you want the script to launch. And that's basically it. About the command that we specified in the batch file, Start is a Windows program that allows us to start a separate command prompt window to run a specified program or command. /B parameter tells it to start an application without opening a new command prompt window. The start /B combination allows us to run other commands without it blocking the execution of the succeeding lines of commands in the batch file. The two double quotes just indicates the window title of the command window it would open. Since /B does not open a new command window, we just left it empty. Finally, the path or command. The last part of the command is the path of the window that we wanted to launch. It could also be another command that Windows support in case you're wondering, but that is not covered by this video. I hope that you find this video useful to make your workflow more efficient. If you do so, I would love to know in the comments what apps you use regularly at the same time where you would use the tips that I shared. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.